Hello and welcome to episode 20 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. We've got some pretty exciting stuff to go over with you today. First of all, welcome to the chaos, the mess. We have officially moved into the basement. So we have moved everything off of, well, not everything as you can see, because there's random junk everywhere. And if you've ever moved, which I'm sure most people have, you don't realize how much stuff you have until you have to move and then you have to declutter and go through everything. Let's go over some of the exciting stuff we got. Oh my gosh! The addition is officially connected to the main part of the house. And if you look at this gorgeous flooring, they pulled up that nasty old green carpet. If you remember, this is our old bedroom. But so what's going to happen here is this will turn into a hallway. That doorway was cut. This will turn into a hallway. A wall will be put right here, and that'll be a bedroom. So the bedroom will go into the Jack and Jill. The flooring is done. Oh, the tiling is done, but that's covered up by plastic. You can see it in there. That's finished. And then we'll go through this way. I'll show you the tile in the master bathroom is also done. And it's looking pretty snazzy. So all of that's done. And then it's like a dark gray. It's so pretty. Pretty. I'm just gotta get it cleaned up and everything. And then we'll go back through the hallway. It's so cool. It's actually not it's very nice that it's actually connected now. There's the laundry room, future laundry room. So we'll step through here and I'm gonna take you down to the basement. The kitchen is done except for the, what am I thinking of? Kitchen is done except for the backsplash. Here is the bedroom that will be turned into a foyer. So here's the front door. We'll have a half bathroom, a hall closet, and then this bathroom will be taken out. They're going to start demoing tomorrow. All of this will be taken out, and then the kitchen will expand to be twice the size. So it'll go from this size to, I guess, about twice the size. It's a really small kitchen. It's going to be a good size whenever it's done. We will have an island. But the best part is downstairs. Well, not the stairs themselves, but when we get down here. We've officially moved in. It's so nice! And hold on. Best part. This. Right here. This is the best part. The backsplash does need to be finished. Over to the left, I'm going to set up like a little coffee and wine bar type thing. And I can tell you, it was amazing cooking dinner and being able to load a dishwasher and unload it and have a garbage disposal. It was amazing. Look at that sink. That is ridiculous. It's so much easier to get all this stuff done whenever you have the space. Got my crock pot out, so I'm getting ready to get some chicken thighs going for dinner tonight. Put the ovens to use. But this is our living room setup. This is not what it's going to look like when everything is done, because we'll be moving this furniture back upstairs to the main floor, and we're going to get some different furniture for down there. I would really like to have an 8-top table down here for dinner parties and gatherings and things like this, because as you can see, the way this is open, it's really great for social gatherings. Hey, Cosmo. You know that we're moved in down here whenever the animals are comfortable. There's our 15-year-old puppy. And then the bedroom. This is where we are sleeping. And look at my little makeshift closet right there. That is super snazzy. But another thing that I'm enjoying is the fact that the laundry room is down here. It's on the same floor. I haven't had that in almost 2 years. It's been pretty nice. The kids are sleeping in there. The lighting isn't all that great, but so they're chilling in here. So that's it. Next video, I will be able to show you more of the demolition that's going on upstairs, but in the meantime, I'm enjoying this. So I'll see you guys next episode.